Samsung is one of the leading manufacturers in the world. In recent years, Samsung-branded products have become increasingly popular around the world. Diverse models in all segments from high-end to mid-range and cheap, Samsung can meet all the needs of customers. Samsung Galaxy A31 is one of the smartphones from this cult brand. The phone is expected to launch in the near future. In recent years, Samsung has been increasingly caring for its Galaxy A series, besides the two flagship phones, Galaxy S and Note, launched every year. Let's take a look at what are the highlights of Samsung Galaxy A31 that you cannot ignore it. In recent years, macro lenses have been increasing in the camera settings of Android phones. Because this sensor supports extremely good background removal and close-ups, focusing on the artistic beauty of the subject being captured. The 5MP macro lens first appeared on Samsung Galaxy promises to bring you pictures of artistic quality, confirming your personal impression. In addition, Samsung is also extremely sensitive to the trend of 4 rear camera clusters on smartphones in 2020. Samsung Galaxy A31 includes a cluster of 4 cameras neatly placed in a square module on the left corner of the back device. This includes a super sharp 48MP main camera, supports night mode for night shooting, excellent low light shooting. In addition, the genuine Samsung Galaxy A31 also has an extra 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera that captures the space up to 123 degrees and a 5MP sensor that supports professional font removal. The 4 cameras on the Galaxy A31 are also equipped with AI technology with 20 subject identifiers and color optimization. As for the front camera, the Galaxy A31 has a 20MP lens with background blur mode and smart beauty for shimmering, sharp photos. Samsung Galaxy A31 genuine monolithic design, feels solid to hold or use. The details on the device are completed in a very delicate way with soft rounded corners. The device is expected to be available in black and white. Besides, the genuine Samsung Galaxy A31 screen is also promised to bring a great experience for users. Galaxy A31 has a 6.4-inch screen with an Infinity-O design that features an infinity border with Full HD Plus resolution. The device's screen uses a Super AMOLED panel that delivers vibrant display colors. In addition, the device also has an under-screen fingerprint scanner with extremely high security technology. Users can unlock the device with just one touch extremely quickly and easily. Samsung Galaxy 8th Core MediaTek MT6768 chip with a maximum processing speed of 2.0 GHz. In addition, the device also has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory storage. Like other Samsung devices, the Galaxy A31 runs on powerful Android operating system. Battery capacity is also a factor when users choose a smartphone. Galaxy A31 is equipped with Samsung battery capacity of 5000 mAh. This is also the largest battery capacity supported on Samsung Galaxy phones. It can support users with up to 30 contacts, 20 hours of video playback and 4 hours of music playback. With such a huge battery capacity, Samsung did not forget to support the device with 15 watts super fast charging technology and save battery power to extend the use time. If you're looking for a smartphone with sophisticated design and great performance, Samsung's Galaxy A31 promises to fulfill that desire. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.